button one time. Just once. Alright, now let's see what we're going to do. You did it. Alright, now it's coming on. Yeah, we're going to see what we can do. You say we went to the farm? Farm? I don't know why it's so slow, but it sure is.
Hi there! Click here to see the animals, or click here for games and activities.
Go see the animals?
Farm games and activities.
Alright, press the button. One time. One time. Thank you. Good. You did it. Good job. Now, you say cow? Cow. I see. Cows. They're coming on, huh? Look at that. What is that, Jasmine? What is that? A cow. No, not yet. There's nothing to press yet. Look at the baby running. See the baby? Now, you ready to do the alphabet? What's this?
All about A.
Say A. A.
All about B.
B. What's this one?
All about C.
C.
All about D.
D.
All about E.
E. No, look. E. No, that wasn't right.
All about F.
F. F.
All about G.
G.
All about H.
H. Not yet. H.
All about I.
I.
All about J.
J. J.
All about K.
K.
All about L.
L. Say L. Jasmine, say L.
All about M.
M. M.
All about N.
N. There you go.
All about O.
O. Jasmine. O. O. Did you say O? There you go. Awesome.
Here is an apple.
Apple.
Awesome!
Awesome.
I got number 3.
Who's that? It's Baby in the Juice. There, is it out of your way? Alright, let's see.
Rock.
There's the baby. Want to see the baby again? It's a baby. Is that Jasmine? Jasmine? Woo. Alright. Do you see the baby on there? She had some juice too. See? She's having juice too. Is it good? You do what? You did what? You didn't do it. You didn't do it. Giddy, giddy, giddy. Giddy, 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 giddy. What? Say, I love you. Too. You better not hit me What? You're making kissy faces. Oh Lord, when did you learn to do that? Oh, my baby. I Mimi. You Mimi's girl? Are you my girl? Oops. There's the baby. Mimi. And Mimi. Yeah, there was Mimi. Yeah, you better watch it. That's disgusting. Mimi doesn't like that. Don't pick your nose. That's gross. Gross. That's right. Where's Sissy? Where's Daddy? Mimi's right here. Yeah, Mimi's right there, isn't she? You see Mimi on there? Mimi and baby. You better swallow that. Guys, swallow it so you don't spit it all over us. Good job. You just made a mess. You're a goofball. Can you say goofball? Can you say goofball? Say goofball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, I know. Say brat.
well,
Here, say brat.
but
Not when you hear a lot, don't you?
don't.
Yeah, you got down.